Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have an Outlet 2010 Honda Shadow Phantom 750. This cruiser has just over 4,000 miles on it and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, and we'll fire it up for you. There is some tread left on these tires, but they are original. So they really should be replaced before too much riding is done on this. This bike is all stock, and I haven't found any type of tip over or lay down damage, just some minor scuffing. Same with the rear tire. It's got some life left, got some tread left on it, but it really should be replaced because it still is original as well. Alright, show you those miles now. 4,014 is what's on it. This 2010 Honda Shadow 750 Phantom Edition is an outlet motorcycle and will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping. SimplyRideUSA.com.